All right, out here in the garden for a quick update. So cucumbers are doing pretty good. So I ended up tying some strings to the tomato cage and kind of guiding the cucumbers so that they would go up vertical. The leaves are turning a little yellow on all my plants, so I had given them an Epsom salt bath. So I did 2 tablespoons of Epsom salt in 2 gallons of water. Did that twice in about a 2-week period. So I'm getting some growth here. Got a bunch of flowers on top. So it looks like my gypsy sweet peppers have a few going on in there. So things are looking pretty healthy, pretty good there. My yellow peppers, looks like I have 2 of them growing here. With some additional buds here at the top. Jalapenos, looks like I have some as well. So I have some growing, then a second layer up here with flowers. So jalapenos doing well. My Cajun bells, again, leaves are looking pretty good. The Epsom salt really did help with the blossoms and leaves. So again, getting some good little Cajun bells there. Back here I have 2 giant hot banana peppers. So these are pretty much ready to pick. So I'll be picking those. Candy apples. So the top here, real bushy. So I have some candy apples growing down there. Now my tomatoes aren't doing so well. So I got holes in the leaves, so I think I have a bug infestation. Leaves are curling, all sorts of issues. So I do have 3 growing. I keep getting flowers on top, but then they keep just dying. So this tomato plant not doing well. The leaves are not well. It's very sickly looking. Here I have my blackberries. Again, I'm not sure what's going on here. I'm getting a lot of growth, a lot of green leaves, but I have no fruit. So, not sure. I keep getting like new leaves just popping up every day, and I have these shoots and stuff everywhere. With blackberries, I had one at the very beginning, and that is it. So I am not getting any fruit. So if anyone knows what would cause that, put down in the comments below. Okay, so I planted 6 soybeans around the outer edge here in a circle, and I got 2. So 2 soybean plants here. I've never grown these before, but I assume they're doing well. Green leaves, new ones popping all the time. So got my 2 little soybeans there. I'll probably plant a few more, get another crop going there. So my whiskey barrels are really filling out. So I have my whiskey barrels here, weeds again through all the mulch, but they're really filling out with the petunias. I got that purple fountain grass. So those are looking really nice. My arborvitaes, they're doing awesome. I mean, this is their 3rd year and they are just growing like wild. So these things are huge. Just kind of look down. So very nice. Arborvitaes are doing awesome. So this barrel, the sweet potato vine, is going out of control. And I have some super petunias here about to fall over the edge. Regular petunias. This purple fountain grass actually has little cattails. So again, that container doing awesome. So over here by the picnic table, I have a little arrangement. I have 3 pots here. This is just a closer look. I got this kind of deserty plant here. Just got some pretty pink blooms. Doing well right here. So 2 layers, pink and white. Pink and white. Fairy garden, don't really have any plants in here much. Have these things, try to keep the birds away from the dog food. I have my desert rose back here. It's doing well. Plants inside my palm tree buckets are doing good. Got some creeping Jenny there, and plants are just doing really well, trying to fill in. So again, this is that real pretty desert plant. So in my tiki pot, his hair, this is pretty flower. Guinea impatiens here. When they're blooming, they're really pretty. Right now, they're kind of going through dead flowers, waiting on new ones. So now we have some more creeping Jenny down here. Similar flowers as before. more petunias, little creeping Jenny. This is actually a transplant. It's left over from last year's pot. It's actually kind of taking over this one.